guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journeys family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I have a hack video for you for your kitchen. So if you ever had brown sugar like this and it's gone hard and you just want to throw it in the trash, just like if you put them in those bags or what have you, it goes hard, I have a solution for you. So if you're interested in seeing how to bring your brown sugar back to life, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay guys, I was in the store and I saw this, the brown sugar saver. So I picked it up. It was only $5, and it says that you can use this to restore your brown sugar back to normal. And brown sugar gets hard if it gets air to it. So I put it in this jar thinking this jar will be airtight, but evidently it was not, and my brown sugar is hard as a brick. There's some in a bag as well. That went hard, but I used this thing on there just to see if it worked, and it does. So I want to share it with you guys. I'm going to find this on Amazon and I'm going to link it below. It may not be this exact same one, but I will find it and link it below in case you guys want to pick one up. But it says directions to soak the new ceramic brown sugar softener in water, and which I've done. I have it in this little half a cup thing, and I put it in some water and soaked it, and this is what mine looks like. It looks like a little sunny face. So I just soaked it in water, and it says to, so it just came in this little pack right here. It says to soak it, ceramic brown sugar softener, in water for 15 minutes, pat dry, and put in your brown sugar. This will keep brown sugar soft for 3 months. When kept in a sealed container, when sugar begins to harden, re-soak and use again. so it works very well. And I read somewhere that you can also use this, like if you have marshmallows or something like that that have dried up, you can use it for that. What else you get that harden sometimes? Food, I don't know, you can try it with everything, but I tried it with my brown sugar and it works. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this up, drop this in. So Lord, it won't even go in there. You gotta force it. It does not want to go in my jar, of course. I hope that it's shut. It's in there sideways, but I think it doesn't look like. There we go. I pushed it. I forced it down. It's gonna be a beast for me to get that out of there, but it's in there. There we go. I got it in there. My brown sugar. So I'm gonna set it in there, and I'm gonna go to the store, because I need to get this Saturday, and I need to get stuff for groceries. I go every other week on Saturdays with my mask on and go. So I got it in there. We're gonna let it sit. When I come back, we're gonna check it and see what the sugar looks like. They say if it doesn't get soft the first time, then re-soak it. And I did that with the other one, I think, because it was rock hard. And this one's kind of hard too, but we'll see. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I am back. I went to Costco and to the grocery store, but I'm back. This has been sitting probably for about an hour, but it is loosening up. I may have to re-wet it again, but let's see. Oh yeah, it's loosening up. Might have been a bad idea to smush this into here, but as you can see, the sugar is now loose. I hope I can get this out of here. Let's get a knife. See if it's loose all the way down. It's not loose. Oh no, yeah, it is. It's loose all the way down. The knife is going all the way down to the bottom. So as you can see, it's loose all the way down. Now if I can get my little thing from out of there, that's a whole nother story. But my sugar is loose. I don't know if, oh, I hope I can get this from out of here. Right now I can't. I'll worry about that later. I got to go outside and work in my, put my flower bed there together. I mean, not my flower bed, but my garden bed. So, anyway. Okay, guys, that is it. That is my hat for bringing brown sugar back to life. Again, it's called the Brown Sugar Saver. I will link it below. Hopefully, I can find it on Amazon. I'm sure I can find everything on Amazon. And yeah. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.